Hello, my name is Sabrina and I am a narrator for this web lesson. However, the instructor is Hurra Jonasson from SUS Education. In web lesson 3, I will continue to introduce the monthly budget and we will explore formulas so that it will function properly. When we are using large Excel sheets, such as the monthly, to do that, we go to the menu and go from Home into View. To select a row, we choose row 11 because we want to see the names in the monthly diary: date, text, debit, credit and cash, and all other accounts. Go to Freeze Panes in View, click on it, and it's done. Now when we scroll up and down, you can see that this row and all the names in it are static. We have frozen it. Now we go back to the menu and select Home. We have finished inputting the formulas and will now start to show you Section B. In Section B, there are just numbers. We click the top of the column where the letter is and go up in the middle of the menu where it says Number. Then we find and select a little cross so that a new window opens. We go into Currency and select the red numbers. We will go then to the arrow and select None at this time, but you can select any type of currency that you wish and then select OK. We will also do this for section F to T, and all numbers are in US dollars. Next, we will calculate the totals for each section. Start in the monthly diary and go into F37. To make a formula, we go into AutoSum and select F11 to F36 and press Enter. You will see here, up in the formula bar under the menu, equals sum, open bracket, F11, colon, F36, close bracket. To avoid needless repetition for each cell, we can copy by going into the corner where you can see a little cross. We go into the column, copy it, and we press Enter. Next, we can do a test to see if the formula is correct. For example, in R37 the formula is equals sum, open bracket, R11, colon, R36, close bracket. And it is correct. Thus, all other sections will be also. Now we will go into column B and do the same there. We will go into total income and do AutoSum. We won't take the bank balance of the 1st of July, just the revenue. Select Revenue and press Enter. You can see here there is a small error. We can press down on the arrow and select Ignore Error. Then it goes away. Now it's not bothering us anymore. We will finish total numbers before we go into individual items. Now we will go into the total in the household costs. We go into AutoSum to create the totals, and we do this also for unexpected costs, housing operations, taxes, credit card, car loan, bank loan, and mortgage. Next is withdrawal from bank account 1, cell B17. This is what goes out of the bank account. This is the debit column and it goes to F37. Then we have to subtract all costs that are in the B column. Equals F37 minus B52 minus B61 minus B67 minus B74 minus B79 minus B84 minus B90. These are all loans, but notice it doesn't include the household costs. The reason for this is that the combined number in the household costs is from debit, credit and cash. It goes all in there. Profit or loss without cash, cell B18. We will now subtract from revenue all costs, or equal B16 plus B17. Please take notice. Because B17 is a red number, a negative number, we have to have a plus sign. The balance of the bank account on the 31st of July can be found in B19. We will write equals B11 plus B16 plus B17. Money from the ATM. We will take the total number out of the monthly diary, as seen in equals T37, and insert it here in cash. Cash 1st of July. Input the number that is in the wallet on the 1st of July into the cash cell of the 1st of July. Cash for the end of July is created by adding the numbers in the monthly diary. Cash, H37, plus cash of the 1st of July, plus cash from the ATM, B21, plus the counting of the cash difference, B22. Profit or loss with cash is in B24, equals B18 plus B23. Here we have to remember, John has a savings account, bank account 2. At the start of the month, he still has to deposit money into this account. See the monthly diary completed form. Formula for bank account 2 at the end of the month is equals B27 minus B15 plus B49. If he takes money out of bank account 2, then we need to take it from cell B15. And when he deposits savings, it goes into cell B49, which is the first row in unexpected costs. Balance of the credit card at the start of the month. John fills in the debt that is still outstanding in B29, balance of the credit card. The balance of the credit card at the end of the month is created using the formula equals B29 plus G37. Now we will go into household costs. Here, for example, is the food cost. The same number as can be seen in cell I37. All calculations are the same. This is the total number out of the monthly diary that has been moved over here so we can see what we have spent under household costs. Now we need to check here under the monthly diary to see if we have made any mistakes. We use the reconciliation cell for this purpose. In cell F39, we will put in the formula equals F37 plus G37 plus H37. These are the debit, credit and cash. We will put them in here. The next row below is called accounts, which contains all accounts. Go into AutoSum and start on the food costs. Hold down Shift and select all cells to T37 and press Enter. The difference in cell F41 is just the difference between reconciliation and accounts. See formula equals sum open bracket F39 colon F40 close bracket. Before we go into making the monthly diary, it is important to see where the shopping is done and to always take a receipt for everything. That makes it easy to complete the monthly diary. To make a double booking, the payments he makes using debit, credit and cash goes out of debit, credit and cash into the applicable accounts. This is called double booking. Double booking also is connected to reconciliation, which I have talked about before. If the reconciliation doesn't add up, then we have done something wrong. It should always be 0 in the difference section.